On the screen right now is a trading algorithm I built in 7 days using data and machine learning software. It's been running all week and I haven't touched it once. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire build day by day so you can copy the exact process. I've been trading for over 10 years and automated systems are what have allowed me to be consistently profitable over time. Now, most videos about building a trading algorithm with AI are made by programmers and they get so complicated that the average trader closes the tab and goes back to trading by hand. This build is different because the entire thing runs on a strategy you already know, described in plain English. A system like this used to mean learning to program or paying a developer to build it for you. But this one took me 7 days and I didn't even have to write a single line of code. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact prompts I used, the test on day 2 that nearly killed the project, and what happened the first morning the system traded without me. So this is day 1, and on the screen is everything I started with. 1 empty Claude chat and 1 clean gold chart. The first job of the morning was choosing the strategy, and there was one rule here that decides whether the entire week works. It's a rule I've never once heard on a YouTube strategy video. Every single part of the strategy has to be mechanical. If any piece of it needs your judgment in the moment, a machine can't run it. So the exciting stuff most traders love, reading momentum, trusting a feeling about the session, all of that was out. What I picked instead was about as boring as trading gets. A break and a retest of the previous day's high. Yesterday's high is a level every trader on the planet can see. Price breaks above it, comes back to test it, and holds, so the system buys, with a stop just under that level. That's the entire strategy. You could draw it on a napkin, and boring is exactly what you want here because the machine follows boring rules perfectly. So here's the first prompt of the week, exactly as I typed it. I gave the market gold, the time frame hourly. I gave it the exact entry, the stop, the target, and the risk per trade 1%. Even the words had to be pinned down. So a break means a full candle closing above the level, and the retest means price touching that level from above. It has to be exact because the machine can't work with almost. Then I added one more line because people never think to include. I told Claude to make the back test charge me every trade it takes, the spread and the commission, because real trading has costs and a test without them is fiction. That was the whole brief. What happened next is the part that feels strange to watch. Claude started writing code for my strategy live in front of me. And while it worked, I had time to walk the setup on the actual chart because you can learn this strategy in less time than it takes to build. Here's yesterday's high. There's a reason the system is built on that level instead of something fancier. Yesterday's high shows up on every single time frame. So the scalper on the 1-minute chart sees it, the swing trader on the daily sees it, and the funds model sees it too. When that many participants are watching the same price, the reaction around it stops being random and rules built around there have something real to grip. So price pushes back to that level, pulls back and touches it and holds. That touch is the entry. The stop sits a few dollars under that level. So when the trade is wrong, it costs a little, but when it's right, there's room to run. A system built that way can be wrong half the time and still come out ahead because the losses stay small and the wins get room. By the time I'd finished marking the chart, Claude had finished the system and was already running against a decade of gold data. So the build, the part that everyone assumes takes months, was done before dinner on day 1. The other 6 days are the reason anyone should trust it. If you want to see how this same process scales from one system into a full working portfolio, there's a free training linked in the description of this video. The first backtest came back the same evening and it looked incredible, but that turned out to be the problem. Day 2 started with the best looking chart I'd seen all year. A decade of gold trades on the screen, the line climbing left to right, and my boring little napkin strategy looked untouchable. This is exactly where most people building with AI stop the video, screenshot the curve, and go live. But I built enough systems to know day 2 is where real work starts. So instead of celebrating, I typed the most important prompt of the week. Break this. Take the system and attack it. Test it on data it has never shown. Change the settings and see if the results fall apart. Run it through the ugliest markets of the decade and report back honestly on what died. Then I watched Claude do it one afternoon, what used to take me weeks. Run after run filled the screen, each one slightly different market than the one my rules were built on, all to answer whether the edge survives in conditions it wasn't shaped by. By the evening, the report was in. My system was dead. Almost all of the profit came from a few trending stretches, and in sideways markets, it slowly gave everything back. Claude's own summary was blunt. The edge only shows up when gold is trending. That's where most most AI trading videos end. But a failed test on day 2 is the process working. Better to bury a system on day 2 than fund it on day 7. So day 3 was the rebuild, and the fix went to the opposite way to what I've done years ago. The old version of me would have patched it with another indicator or another clever exception. Instead, I made the strategy simpler. We took the fixed target out and let the system trail its own stop instead, which meant one less guess about the future baked into the rules. Rebuilt in an hour, then straight back to the same gauntlet. This time the results held everywhere I looked, including the sideways market that ruined the first version. The new curve was uglier and slower than the first one, and it survived everything. That's the trade that most people never learn to make. A system that looks amazing swapped for a system that you can actually trust. And it's the reason downloading someone else's bot rarely survives its first bad week. You'd be trading rules you never even saw tested. So the first losing streak, you'd have no way of knowing whether the system was broken or it was just breathing. I knew exactly what mine could survive because I'd spent 2 days trying to kill it myself, which left one thing even a perfect test can't prove: how the system behaves when the chart is live. Day 4, I turned it on. I went onto a demo account first because that's the professional habit. Nothing gets real money until it proves it can behave outside of a backtest. One click and the system was live. And then came the strangest part of the week. There was nothing left for me to do. There was no charts to watch, no stops to hover over. The system was watching yesterday's high on gold around the clock, and it didn't need my company. So I closed the laptop and I let it run. Gold trades almost around the clock during the week, so the system had 5 full sessions to show its character, days and nights. I could never have sat through myself. Day 5, the log showed the first trade. It happened while I slept, and it was right where the rules said it would be. I found out at breakfast. Day 6 bought that moment, and I was actually waiting for a loss. The stop did its job. The loss stayed the size the rules allowed, and the system didn't spend the rest of the day trying to win it back. If you've ever revenge traded on a red morning into a red month, you know why that loss was the highlight of my week. By day 7, the verdict was in. Every one of them at the level, the stop, the size, the rules named, and the number of times the system needed my opinion. 0. Then came Sunday, review. And this part matters because set and forget is a real myth. The real job on day 7 is 1 honest hour spent checking 3 things. First, the fills, the prices the demo account actually got, held up against the prices the backtest assumed. If those two drift apart, the edge you tested is different from the edge that you're trading. Second is the cost, the spreads and commissions on every real fill checked against what we charged the system in testing on day 1. Third, the behavior. Every trade on the log has to be one of the rules taken. A trade you can't explain is a bug, and a demo account is the only place you ever want to meet one. Mine passed all 3, and if it hadn't, the fix would have been the same conversation the week ran on. Tell Claude what drifted, rebuild, and test again before real money ever gets entered into the picture. Before the week ended, one more thing got decided, and it might be the most professional sentence in this whole video. I wrote down in advance exactly what would make me turn the system off. A maximum drawdown, a losing streak outside of the tested environment showed, behavior that stops matching the test. If you decide that on a calm Sunday, it's engineering, but if you decide that in the middle of a losing streak, it's panic. So the honest scope of the week, what I have now is one tested system in one market, and no single edge deserves your whole account. The professionals I learned this process from run many of these at once, each doing a different job in a different market. That's the portfolio effect, and it gets built one system at a time, the way this week started. So before we go any further, this is educational. It's not financial advice, and nothing here is a promise of results. Trading carries real risk of loss, and it isn't right for everyone. Anything I mention about my own results is exactly that, my own. It isn't typical, and it isn't prediction of what you do. And using Claude or any other AI tool to build a trading system doesn't guarantee it's going to be profitable or even in work as it's intended. For 10 years, the reason traders like you and me stayed manual was that building the machine felt out of reach. But that reason is gone. All you need is 7 days, no code, and a simple strategy you already trade. That's the whole entry fee now. So now you know how the machine gets built, and the building was never the hard part. But the machine is only half the story, because the market you're deploying it into has already changed hands, and there's one number about who's really on the other side of your trades that most traders have never even heard. Once you see it, you'll understand why this 7-day process stopped being optional. So watch this video next, where I show you what you're up against in the new era of trading and what the traders who are ready for it do differently. See you there.